Hello, designers. Come closer, come closer. I have something for you. Are you struggling with designing mobile navigation that is both user friendly and efficient? Well, look no further. In less than 5 minutes, I will be highlighting three major challenges of mobile navigation design and also suggest possible solutions to them. So, let's get started. First, the challenges. The top three challenges relating to mobile navigation design are: number one, limited screen space. So, as we all know, mobile devices have smaller screens, making it difficult to, display extensive navigation options without overwhelming the user. The second challenge is touch interactions. Users interact with mobile devices using their fingers, which are less precise than a mouse. Hence, the larger targets are needed. And finally, consistency and discoverability. This is important to ensure users can easily discover and consistently use navigation of elements across different, screens. So, what are the possible solutions to all of these challenges I have highlighted? First is the use of a hamburger menu. The hamburger menu is commonly used to save screen space by hiding navigation links behind an icon. In this case, the three horizontal lines. So this helps in keeping the interface simple, clean, and uncluttered. But the disadvantage of this is that it can reduce discoverability as users might not immediately see all available options. Design tip: ensure your hamburger menu is easily recognizable and consider using a label, example, a menu to, increase discoverability. The next solution is the use of bottom navigation. It is a good design practice to place key navigation options at the bottom of the screen. Therefore, making these options easily accessible with the thumb. This, of course, enhances usability by making primary navigation elements quickly and easily accessible, making up for a good user experience. But there is a little limitation to this though. The bottom navigation can only accommodate 3 to 5 options max. Anything beyond 5 will make your screen look busy. So be careful when you're adding those options. Design tip: use clear descriptive icons with labels to ensure users understand the navigation options, and also try your possible best to maintain consistency across all your screens when you're designing. The third and final solution is gestures. Gestures allows users to navigate through sliding, swiping, pinching, or other touch gestures. It helps in creating a seamless and immersive user experience. But at the same time, gestures can be confusing and less intuitive and harder for users to discover. In a situation like this, what do? Design tip: you provide visual cues and onboarding tutorials to educate your users about available gestures. You also ensure that gestures are not the only means of navigation on your app. You do this by offering users other alternative navigation methods. All right, let's wrap up. What are the best practices to keep in mind when designing a mobile navigation? Number one, consistency. Keep navigation elements consistent across different screens to reduce the learning curve for your users. Number two, simplicity. Ensure you simplify navigation options to the essentials to avoid overwhelming your users. Number three, feedback. Provide immediate visual or haptic feedback to confirm user actions and enhance, the sense of control. And finally, accessibility. It's important that you ensure touch targets are large enough for all your users, including those with motor impairments, But I think the minimum for touch targets should be 40 by 40 pixel. And also you have to consider the needs of users relying on screen readers. Accessibility is very, very important. Do not undermine it. So with these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to help you become better at designing mobile navigation. Till next time, I remain your host, Prince Ando, brand identity and product designer. Thank you.